When an SMS message is sent to a phone, it goes through a series of steps before reaching the recipient. Here's a more detailed explanation of the process. Sender initiates message. The sender composes an SMS message on their device or application and specifies the recipient's phone number. Message submission. The sender's device or application sends the message to their mobile network operator or service provider. This can be done using the phone's network connection or an internet-based SMS gateway. Routing and interconnection. The sender's MNO checks the recipient's phone number and determines the recipient's MNO. If the recipient is on a different network, the message is routed through interconnection agreements between the MNOs. These agreements facilitate communication between different networks. Message delivery to recipient's network. The sender's MNO delivers the message to the recipient's MNO. This can involve various network protocols and infrastructure, such as SS7 or IP-based connections. Message storage in the message center. The recipient's MNO receives the message and stores it in the recipient's message center. The message center acts as a temporary storage facility until the recipient's device is ready to receive the message. Device availability and notification. Once the recipient's device is reachable or has sufficient storage capacity, the recipient's MNO sends a notification to the device, indicating the presence of a new SMS message. Message retrieval and display. The recipient's device communicates with the recipient's MNO to retrieve the message from the message center. The message is then displayed on the recipient's device as a text message. Regarding the cost of SMS, traditionally, SMS messages were charged based on the usage of the mobile network infrastructure for their transmission. This cost was typically included in the mobile service plan or charged per message. However, pricing models for SMS can vary depending on the region, service provider, and specific mobile service plan. As for the term used to identify SMS messages, they are commonly referred to as text messages or simply SMS. The term SMS is widely used to describe this form of communication, which involves the exchange of short text-based messages between mobile devices. It's worth noting that with the rise of internet-based messaging platforms and the prevalence of data plans, many mobile service providers offer unlimited or discounted SMS messaging as part of their service packages. Additionally, messaging apps and services that utilize internet connectivity, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or iMessage, have gained popularity as they provide additional features and capabilities beyond traditional SMS. Thanks for watching. My name is Arson. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I catch you in the next video. Bye bye.